What is it? So we're back here at one of our favorite spots to pick pawpaws. Don't pick them, they're not ready yet, guys. They're not ready yet.
They're green.
They're still green, yeah. They're gonna get nice and big. So we're doing some scouting. We are scouting for future fruit. You know, we do a lot of fruit hunting in the fall. Actually, we do fruit hunting throughout the whole summer. Hunting for wild stuff and looking for wild stuff. And we are right underneath a pawpaw tree that is absolutely loaded. I'm looking at probably about 100 pawpaws right here, right now. And take a look at this, guys.
I love pawpaws.
Me too, buddy. Look at this cluster right here. Huh? It's a nice cluster of pawpaws right there, huh? And there's a 5-banger right here. Look at that, like a perfect star. Check that out. That's gonna be a nice one, huh? This tree is more loaded now than the last time that we got it. And guys, it goes all the way up. This whole, look at them all. Look at them.
You're gonna need to bring your...
They're like a bunch of green bananas. Yeah, I will. I don't know if I'll need my stick for these or not, or if we just shake them like we did before. Look at this, they're already getting pretty good size. Don't shake it yet. Don't shake it yet, buddy.
Whoa!
What? What do you see?
There's a 5-patch.
There's a 5-patch.
There's a double.
Oh my gosh, look at all those right there, guys.
I can go like that, like that, like that. I just want to find this tree.
They're loaded. There's one right there.
But there's no right.
Wow. Ooh, there's some big ones. Holy smokes. Look at them all up there. Look at them all. There's some right there. Wow.
I see some raw.
This is a very productive pawpaw tree, guys. What do you think?
Yeah. I can climb the tree like a monkey.
You can climb the tree like a monkey.
But only like a monkey.
All right.
Look, guys.
Look at you climbing the pawpaw tree like a monkey. Huh.
I'll do it.
Oh wait, it's a small tree, guys. You don't want to ruin it with your shoes and stuff. Right now, it looks like it's doing pretty good. Very healthy pawpaw tree, loaded with fruit. So yeah, we're scouting right now, and I just looked down, and here's some tiny little baby pawpaws. Here's some little baby pawpaws. They must have fell off. They were.
When I was shaking them.
No, this looks like before that. It looks like someone stepped on it. So yeah, like I was saying, we're scouting out future fruit locations, looking to see which pawpaws have the most fruit, which ones are going to be the most productive, and which places we're going to get the most bang for our buck. You know, picking pawpaw fruit, spice bush, and any antique apples. There's a really old apple tree and an old pear right over here too, and we got a lot of pears off it last fall when we got back from Colorado. So I want to just kind of keep you guys updated, and he wants to. I think I should.
And there's a little
guy. So I want to just keep you guys updated, let you know that we're thinking about pawpaws, even though we're months away from them being ready. But this is going to be one spot right here. We're going to come back and harvest some fruit off of it again this year, and do some good stuff with pawpaws. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time. All right. Well, I ended that video a little too soon. Here's that pawpaw tree that we were just looking at, and here's some more. Now, I remember that there was pawpaws over here. I just forgot to come over here and do it in the video. And this tree here is also loaded with pawpaws.
Whoa.
You can see there's a bunch, and there's even more on this tree over here. One right here, and then one right there. So look at this one, guys. There's even more. Look how low these ones are to the ground, guys. Yeah. Well, it's low to the ground, I mean. Two little guys. So this is what wild pawpaws look like. This is what they look like hanging from the tree, hanging from their fruit trees. Oh, it's too early, babe. You gotta wait just a little bit. And these are wild pawpaws. And I'm glad I came over here because, yeah, man, these ones here are loaded. There's a bunch of little ones up there too. So it is going to be a great pawpaw season this year. What do you think? Yeah? Now we'll see you later.